My tail got here today, and I'm really excited. I'm really pissed actually. Well, I was this morning. Ryland got a Finfun mermaid tail and posted a video about it before I could get mine and post my video, and I'm not like big at all on YouTube, so it really doesn't matter, but it just makes me mad and it makes me want to not have ordered it. But then I was thinking about it all day because that's what I have time to think about, and I was like, you know, I've wanted one of these since I was like 4 years old. I've already had one before, so it's still my thing, and I'm still gonna love it and appreciate it because it was not cheap. But my tail is here. I'm gonna go and get it after I do the dishes because that needs to happen. I'll film opening it and unboxing and trying it on, and I'll probably post this separately from actually swimming in it at the river because it's not very nice outside right now and I don't know when it's going to be. I think that's all I have for now. My eyes look good in this lighting, my hair looks good, but like I don't look good. Hello, welcome to my bedroom. We are magically transported here. I have my package. My tail is in this bag, you guys. Let's get into it. It's in this little bag. It's so pretty, and the tips are reinforced, thank goodness, because that is going to be so helpful. Oh, it's so pretty and shimmery. Oh my god. Okay, I'm definitely sure this is going to fit, and I'm like really happy about that because I was a little worried. It's definitely going to fit though. It's so pretty. Oh my god. I gotta find my monofin so I can put it in there. I think it's in the closet or the trunk of my car. Crying because what am I supposed to do with this?